Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most popular tools for building websites, WordPress. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or just curious about creating your own site, we've got you covered. Let's explore what WordPress is and how you can use it to build your website. First things first, what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, or CMS, that allows you to create and manage your website with ease. It's open source, which means it's free to use and highly customizable. WordPress started as a blogging platform, but it's grown into a versatile tool used by millions for all types of websites, from personal blogs to professional portfolios and even e-commerce stores. Alright, let's get started with setting up your WordPress site. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you'll need a hosting provider. Think of this as the space where your website lives. Popular choices include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WordPress.com itself. Most hosting providers offer easy one-click WordPress installations. Once you've chosen a hosting provider, install WordPress. This process is usually straightforward. If you're using a hosting service like Bluehost, you can install it directly from your hosting dashboard. After installation, you'll receive login details to access your WordPress dashboard. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site. From here, navigate to Appearance, and then Themes to choose a theme for your site. Themes determine the look and layout of your website. You can browse free themes or purchase premium ones from various theme marketplaces. With your theme selected, it's time to customize. Go to Appearance, and then Customize. Here you can adjust your site's colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. You can also add widgets and menus to enhance your site's functionality and navigation. Next up, create content. WordPress makes it easy to add pages and posts. For pages like About or Contact, go to Pages and click Add New. For blog posts, go to Posts and Add New. You can format text, add images, and even embed videos. The block editor in WordPress allows for a flexible content creation experience. Want to add extra features to your site? Check out plugins. These are tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. Go to Plugins and Add New to browse thousands of options. From SEO tools to social media integrations, there's a plugin for almost everything. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with WordPress. From choosing a hosting provider to customizing your site and adding content, WordPress offers a powerful platform to bring your website ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on web development and digital tools. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!